time to observe your surroundings. You'll notice an abundance of systems teeming with bubbles. Surprisingly, these bubbles hold immense significance in our planet's intricate workings. They serve as a linchpin for comprehending water and climate models, unveiling pivotal insights into the mechanics of oceans and various water features. Indeed, the seemingly innocuous bubbles unlock essential understanding about ocean dynamics and contribute substantially to unraveling the mysteries of our planet's hydrological systems. These bubbles fall into two distinct categories: water bubbles and the renowned soap bubbles. This time, our primary emphasis lies on soap bubbles. A bubble is a thin film of soapy water. Most of the bubbles that you see are filled with air, but you can make a bubble using other gases such as carbon dioxide. Each soap molecule contains two parts: the hydrophobic or water-hating tail and the hydrophilic or water-loving head. So, when soap encounters water, the heads of the molecule being two water molecules. This causes the soap-water mixture to assemble into bubbles containing trapped water molecules bound by soap molecules' heads, and air trap at the center of the molecule. Just as soap bubbles emerge from the interaction between soap and water at the molecular scale, bubble shape is also an emerging property. The reason for this emerging property lies in what is called surface tension. Surface tension is simply water or any other molecule preferring to stick to each other, cohesion, as opposed to sticking to another surface, addition, such as air or glass. Surface tension leads to the generation of shapes which minimize surface area. Turns out a spherical shape minimizes surface area as opposed to any other shape. So decreases the pull of surface tension typically to about a third that of plain water. The surface tension in plain water is just too strong for bubbles to last for any length of time. One other problem with pure water bubbles is evaporation. The surface quickly becomes thin, causing them to pop. But what causes the bubbles to exhibit such colors? It's because light waves reflected from opposite sides of the thin bubble wall interfere with each other. Some wavelengths, colors, cancel each other out, while others are reinforced based on what kind of interference we're talking about. Whether it's constructive, similar phases are added, or destructive, they cancel out. Since the thickness of the film varies from the top of the bubble to the bottom, different colors are enhanced or diminished at different points along the surface of the bubble, and a beautiful color display is produced. The bubble wall is actually a thin film of water, protected from collapsing by a layer of detergent molecules on each side. The colors that you get depend on the thickness of the water. With a spherical bubble, we see those colors swirling as the water moves around the bubble, changing as the water evaporates and wind spins them about. When we make our flat bubble, we can see the colors organized by the thickness of the water as gravity pulls the water towards the ground. A recent study reveals an intriguing parallel between small soap bubbles and colossal phenomena like Jupiter's Great Red Spot and Earth's hurricanes. The discovery stems from the resemblance found in strictly patterns, shedding light on planetary dynamics. Scientists have previously utilized soap films as models for planetary atmospheres due to their nearly two-dimensional behavior, akin to planetary systems in their thinness relative to their scope. In the realm of soap films, turbulent motion manifests into pairs of vortices, akin to twin hurricanes whirling in opposite directions. While this mirrors nature to an extent, it lacks the singular swirling storms observed in planetary settings. To delve deeper into this simulation, Hami Khalei and the University of Bordeaux in France fashioned a more realistic miniature celestial body. Picture half a planet represented by a spherical soap bubble delicately nestled within a 10 centimeter circular groove, crafted by a simple force of human lung power directed through a straw. This inventive setup provided a more authentic simulation, offering insights into planetary scale phenomena within a miniature, tangible model. This approach not only provides us with a better understanding but also unveils profound insights into how seemingly simple phenomena hold the key to unraveling the intricate workings of our world.